your pocketbook. The birds of heaven are bound to know all that they would, free to stay or fly away. Who would ever let go of their days, so long as they're awake? The ones who can, with grace to spend, will transcend to private views behind high white walls, while most of us will soar but just to spy, as if we must, and to cry as we always knew we should. Tethered to the weight of you, the circling, the mute, the knowing eyes of God. To their surprise, declassified, the world's inside so rich and new, and your reprieve won't set them free. This they choose, forever doubting and true. They belong to anyone for a song. The birds of heaven are keeping you wondering who they are in for. All you did and all you do and all that you will to spare me the truth weighs on me still, but we won't